To open a bank account in the US without an SSN, you will need to follow a few steps. First, understand that an SSN is typically required for bank accounts. But some banks offer alternatives for non-US citizens or those without an SSN. You will need to gather required documents, which may include a valid passport, a US visa, or other government-issued identification. You may also need to provide proof of address, which can be a utility bill or lease agreement. Next, research banks that offer accounts without an SSN. Some banks may use an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, instead of an SSN. You can apply for an ITIN through the IRS. Once you have identified a bank that meets your needs, you can visit a branch in person to open an account. Be prepared to provide your documentation and answer questions about your identity and address. Some banks also offer online account opening, but this may require a video call or other verification methods. In addition to traditional banks, you may also consider online banks or credit unions that offer more flexible account opening requirements. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of any account before opening, including fees, interest rates, and any requirements for minimum balances. By following these steps and doing your research, you can successfully open a U.S. bank account without an SSN. Remember to always provide accurate and truthful information when opening a bank account, and be aware of any potential risks or limitations associated with accounts that do not require an SSN. It is also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure you are meeting all necessary requirements and taking advantage of available options. Overall, opening a U.S. bank account without an SSN requires some extra effort, but it is possible with the right documentation and research.